Shiba Inu are being sent to the moon by Binance. Binance and Shib have a long history together, and it seems like Binance is going to take the action that we have all been waiting for. Therefore, you cannot afford to miss this video if you are interested in Shiba Inu or if you own any Shib tokens. What is the most recent news on Shiba Inu Coin? And what impact will all of this have on Shiba Inu's worth? I'll be addressing these questions and providing you with all of the recently released price-boosting Shiba Inu facts in today's video. I've done a lot of research for this video, so be sure to watch it through to the finish so you don't miss anything. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. However, before we go on to our subject, let's examine the chart and observe how the cost of Shiba Inu is moving on April 4th. Today, a Shiba Inu costs around 1,243 units. With $237 million in trading activity during the last 24 hours, the price has increased 1.3%. The token is now the 21st highest valued cryptocurrency with a market capitalization of about $7.2 billion. Please note that by the time you see this video, some rates may have changed. Financial advice is not included in this article. Let's move on to the video for today. Shiba Inu's Shibarium hits a significant milestone, marking the enormous accomplishment of 1 billion and counting. Although Shibarium's activity slowed in early March, it has since seen a notable resurgence. Beyond the last several days, millions of daily transactions have been performed, pushing the overall number of transactions beyond the 1 billion mark. Noting the accomplishment, notable Shiba Inu team members thanked all those who helped. Among them was Lucy, the marketing strategist for Shibarium. Shibarium was created especially to improve the environment for Shiba Inu, enhance usefulness, add a token burning mechanism, and lower transaction costs and speeds. Accordingly, some industry players think that the price of Shiba Inu may benefit from the protocol's further development. Jeremy Da Vinci, a well-known Bitcoin supporter, predicted an incredible rise for Shiba Inu earlier this year. As you know, I enjoy Shiba Inu, and I believe it will perform rather well in this cycle if Shibarium's adoption takes up. However, it may not reach the height you anticipate. Shibarium, which is essentially a chain on which you can run a variety of programs, has given Shiba Inu a lot of usefulness, in my opinion, but it's not being used. Additionally, Shibarium does not yet have any apps for utilizing your tokens. Shiba Inu is going to the moon if they can figure it out. The net flow of the Shiba Inu exchange during the last week, however, indicates that the positive trend may continue for a little while longer. Data from CryptoQuant shows that more coins have been taken out of centralized systems than have been added, indicating the transfer of assets to self-custody by investors. Usually, this pattern lessens the initial selling pressure. We would much appreciate it if you could hit the like button if you are still viewing. It is completely free and contributes significantly to the channel's support. To learn about the most recent Shiba Inu news and what the future may bring for the Shiba Inu coin, however, stay watching. Binance starts a new push for referrals, giving away up to $290,000 in Dogecoin and Shiba Inu prizes today. The biggest cryptocurrency exchange in the world revealed the promotion, highlighting that the referral scheme would be active from April 1 through April 30, 2025. During this time, Binance users who recommend new users or activate current recommendations to trade on the site may get a portion of the $290,000 value pool in Shiba Inu and Dogecoin awards. Binance intends to disperse the awards at random in cryptocurrencies like BNB and Pepe, in addition to Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. Referral program for Binance, increasing the amount of traded invitees and encouraging new users to make deposits and trade on Binance are the two main goals of the referral program. Tasca users of Binance must raise the quantity of exchanged invitees for this initial action. This means encouraging current referrals to trade on Binance's spot, futures, or margin once they registered with your referral ProLink ID. A $240,000 pricing pool was put aside by Binance, and incentives in Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and other currencies are anticipated to be given out at random. Users must click the Join Now option on the activity page to confirm their involvement in order to take part in this campaign. After enrolling, users must persuade new users or current referrals to register using their referral ID and execute transactions on Binance. Users must refer at least one fresh user to complete a trade after entering the campaign and have a minimum of 3 trade invitees in order to get a portion of the $240,000 incentive. The reward was first organized by Binance into 5 levels, each of which had an own prize pool. Participants in the first must have a minimum of 3 exchanged invitations in order to split a $20,000 prize pool that includes Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. In order for competitors to split a prize pool of $30,000, $40,000, $50,000, and $100,000, respectively, tiers 2, 3, 4, and 5 need a minimum of 10, 20, 50, or 100 exchanged invites. You have to encourage at least one fresh user to trade throughout the campaign time, activity B, for every tier. In order to take part in this second effort, you must urge new users to join up using your referral link and deposit at least $50 via cash deposits, P2P trading, or cryptocurrency purchases made using cards. Next, persuade them to use Binance's spot platform to trade a minimum of $200. Both you and your invitee will earn $5 USDC token coupons upon completion of the job, increasing the total prize fund to $50,000. Only the first 5,000 people who meet the conditions will be able to participate in this event. After the activity concludes, Binance will disperse the awards within 21 working days, and users have 14 days to redeem the token vouchers. The major plot of today's video is about to begin. Shiba Inu's cost increased Shiba Inu may be ready for a big price reversal as a bull run is approaching after it has successfully recovered from a crucial local support level. With a daily rise of 1.3%, the meme currency, which has been progressively dropping over the previous several months, has shown some positive momentum and is presently trading at about 1,243 units. Shiba Inu was able to hold a critical support zone around 1,210 units, which has traditionally functioned as a reversal point, according to a deeper look at the daily chart. The recent recovery from this region may be the beginning of a short to medium-term recovery, given the improved relative strength index, which has risen to about 47.8 and is continuing higher, a potential indicator of growing bullish momentum. Volume data indicates that purchasing activity has somewhat increased, although it is still below prior breakouts. In order to verify that this rebound is more than a temporary break, a thorough follow-up with more participants in the next sessions is necessary. The present arrangement indicates that a regional reversal is probable, despite the macro trend being negative. Please note that by the time you see this video, some rates may have changed. Financial advice is not included in this video. Because they trust the Shiba Inu creators and the practical benefits of Shib, many of our subscribers indicate that they will hang on to millions of Shib and not sell them for the next 5 years. What number do you people have? Remember to provide a list of your Shib assets in the space provided for comments below. We should commend the Shib holder for having faith in the process. If you find the video entertaining, please subscribe to the channel, give it a big thumbs up, and share your thoughts on the Shiba Inu token in the comments section. Additionally, be sure to enable post alerts so that you are informed each time we upload a new video.